we haven't seen healthier plants, and I mean that.
Working with GrowGen is the ability that when we order so many supplies, we can get them from one source. We order 20 different SKUs of supplies. We make one phone call to one representative. It's always taken care of.
Working with GrowGen for about 5 years now, I would say. We order everything from them: our nutrients, our pots, our tables, our lights. They do a hell of a job.
The yields in this room did go almost exactly double from where we were at, and the canopy space almost did exactly double. We were at 400 canopy square foot. We went to 764 square foot of flowering canopy.
We only shop with GrowGeneration, from drip to char-core to dialed in grow. I mean, the support's great. Anything I need, almost any time of the day, I'll hit up Jason about nutrients. He responds, man. So, I mean, he couldn't ask more of support